Technology. It brings endless possibilities right to our fingertips. We can achieve so much with a simple push of a button. It makes life more comfortable in every aspect and helps us prepare better for the future. Except when it comes to a flat tire. RidAir is the next generation of effortless air pumps. And it works at the push of a button, just like you're used to, just as it should. RidAir is clean, simple, and efficient. It's designed to help you in two common situations: the natural loss of air pressure that always catches you off guard, and a flat tire that stops you from getting on your bike at all. RidAir is the perfect quick fix for both. It lets you inflate your tires with a single push of a button. This way, you can take care of a flat after you get to where you need to be. RidAir can be refilled with an air compressor in literally a second, and its built-in safety prevents air from leaking out. We worked on a slick and elegant design that would fit perfectly on your bike, so that you're never caught without it. Just to be on the safe side, it has a built-in lock to keep your RidAir where it belongs. And of course, RidAir isn't just for riding. You can also use it to inflate lots of other things.